about comparing policies. Teresa wants to know, how do I compare policies when there's so many different coverages and deductibles? Like, how can I tell which one's better versus the other?
Okay, what you want to do is look and see what coverages you currently have on your policy or the quote that you're getting. And if somebody gives you a quote with different coverages, you need to look and make sure what those coverages are, because some of them are important to have. Like on homeowners, you want to make sure you have replacement cost. Even though it might cost you an extra $300 or $400, the difference in the claim settlement will be thousands in your favor. Also, you want to look at the deductibles. Like on homeowners, you could have a 2% hurricane deductible, and they may be quoting a 5% hurricane deductible. Well, it doesn't sound like a lot, but on a $300,000 home, a 5% deductible would be $15,000. Well, a 2% deductible would only be $6,000. Now, the difference in premium is only going to be about a couple $100, and you're not going to make up $9,000 for years and years. On auto, you want to look at the deductibles and whether they're giving you uninsured motorist or if the bodily injury liability limits are the same on both policies. Now, if you have a quote that has higher coverage and you have another quote that's cheaper, get a hold of the person that gave you the quote that's a little bit less and have them raise it up to the other and match it exactly apples to apples, and do the same thing on your homeowners. Then that'll give you a good idea of which company is less expensive, because if you have an apples to apples and company A is less than company B, then you might want to look at company A even if you want to reduce coverages, which we don't recommend that you do.
All right, and if we have a hard time figuring that out, we can always come and see you. And
oh yeah, by all means. By all means, give us a call, because we'll sit down and we'll explain the differences to you, and we'll put it in real figures and in language that you can understand, so that you can actually see the real differences between the quotes or the coverages that you have.
Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.